From the classification of numbers, there is another type of number which we called it as whole numbers, right? Which we called it as whole numbers. Now, what are whole numbers, everyone? What are whole numbers? So from the name itself, because I have made something on the left hand side, it's look like a big zero. So it means, or I can say that whole means what? So this is a whole. Leaves like a zero, looking like a zero. So it means whole numbers are those numbers which starts from zero and it moves from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. Means there is no largest whole number, but the smallest whole number is 0. So whole numbers are those number which starts from 0 and it go up to infinity, right? So there is the smallest whole number which is 0 and there is no largest whole number because whole numbers go on and on and on and on, right? So now moving towards the next part. So what is the main part in this? So if you are able to see the picture, so whole and natural. So in the previous video, we have talked about the natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers which starts from 1 up to infinity, right? So it starts from 1. 0 is not a natural number, but if we consider 0, 0 is a whole number. It is not a natural number, right? 0 is a whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity, these all are as whole numbers. So smallest whole number is 0. So every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. Why? Because 0 is not a natural number. It is just a whole number, right? So moving towards the next point. What is the next point, everyone? Whole numbers are those numbers. They are the positive numbers. We can also call it as counting number except 0. 0 is not a counting number. So I will attach the video of the whole the natural numbers in this, so you can easily connect on that video to understand the natural number. Whole numbers, all natural number is a whole number, but except 0. 0 is not a natural number because we are not including 0 as a counting number. Okay, when we are start counting, we starting the counting from 1. We don't take 0 as a counting number. So all counting number means all natural numbers are whole numbers, and even 0 is also whole number. So whole number starts from 0, natural number starts from 1. So whole numbers are also the positive numbers, including 0. Whole numbers are also the positive numbers, right? They are also the positive numbers. So we have many commonality in the whole number and natural number. We can discuss in the another video what are the differences or what are the commonality between the whole number and natural number. So whole numbers are the positive number starts from 1 to infinity. Okay, and this is a very important line. It's a collection of all basic counting numbers and 0. Basic counting number from 1 to infinity and 0 we are also including in that, right? Now moving towards the next part, that which are not the whole numbers. So any negative number like -5, -15, any decimal number like -1.5 or 1.5, we can say any negative number, any decimal number or any fraction is not a whole number. Okay, so whole numbers are the normal numbers, normal counting number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 1000, 1 lakh. These are the whole numbers. Neither the negative number nor the decimal and fraction are not the whole numbers, right? And whole numbers we are denoted by capital W. Capital W, like we are denoting natural number with N, so we are denoting whole number with W. So 0, 1, 2 and so on means the table goes on and on and on, but the smallest whole number you know, which is 0, but you don't know the largest whole number, right? So these are the whole numbers, right, everyone? I think everything is clear to you. So if you have any doubt, please comment on the comment box that ma'am, we have this doubt on this topic, so I can share that video with you. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you so much.